My name is Christine Boatman, and I teach at Fay Elementary School in 3rd grade.
So this is about learning the strengths of the people at your group.
This is my first year with interns. I was told that they practice the lesson plan, but again, I was thinking, oh, they're kids, they're gonna need a lot of guiding. No, they literally taught the lessons. They had their books out all the time. When they weren't teaching, they were planning for the next day. I actually learned from their lessons. I thought it was really cool.
Eyes, ears, and heart, and heart.
I love the way they connected with the kids. They came in, they knew their names, they had like callbacks, like things I was not expecting.
If you can hear my voice, clap twice. Perfect.
I would absolutely recommend it now having done it. It is completely opposite of what I thought it was going to be. The kids are so prepared, and I think it's amazing. I almost feel like, why am I here? Because they're literally doing every single thing. They really taught, and they did a great job.